Hi folks, welcome to beautiful Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at the Nash 29S. It's a bunk unit. It's a beautiful unit, well built, Northwood product. A lot of upgrades, you know, they've got the bigger tanks, they've got the nice jack, they got magnetic holds on everything. This one's solar ready for you as well. But look, take a look inside here. You got a ton of storage. Those are some of the added features that come with it. And this is, of course, under your dinette. You've got storage. This is all carpeted, so you can access it from either spot. Makes it easy. Of course, all the Nashes and Arctic Foxes, Northwood products, they all come with a spot for a generator if you want to get one put in, and we can do that for you here too at Guaranty RV. This is another nice little added storage spot. More storage, and once again, it's all magnetic holds, which are really awesome. I'm going to close these back up. Outdoor shower, flush system, nice big awning on the outside here, power awning, outdoor LED lights. This has a nice big floor plan. Open in here, this big slide out makes for a lot of room. So it's a nice big open area. You got the double bunk beds, which are nice so the little kiddos don't roll off. Back in here, nice little tub shower, plenty of room, little cabinetry in there too as well to put stuff, medicine cabinet. Fantastic fan, of course, which they always use the fantastic fan, which is the best one. Once again, we looked at this from the outside, your storage access. Nice big U-shaped booth, beautiful appliances, nice big refrigerator, Norcold, lots of storage. All real wood, beautiful finish on this, just a gorgeous unit. One thing too I didn't mention when we were on the outside, they did change their exterior. It's now the darker gray and black, but nice TV and entertainment system. This spins around into the bedroom, so if you want to watch in the bedroom here. Nice queen size bed, storage on both sides, storage up above. Once again, fantastic fan, you can't beat that. And it's got a remote control for it, so you can control it. That's another nice feature. Northwood puts together a beautiful unit. This is a beautiful unit by Nash, and if you have any questions about it, please feel free to call me, Big Sal. I'll be happy to help you. My number is 951-443-8323. Thank you.